Part 4. Let's see if we can finish it this time. Okay, so pivot chart. We're going to go to step B, choose column and cluster column as a subtype. Okay, so we're going to click on our chart. Make sure this pops up. We're going to go to design. Go to change chart type, column, and cluster column. Okay, that took me about 20 minutes to figure out because these instructions suck. But anyways, I hope you enjoy that. So, C says drag the chart object so that its top left corner is in cell E3. Okay, so we're just going to click here, make sure the arrow has these 4 arrows on it like that, and then click and drag into E3, top left corner, so it looks like that. Okay. Size the chart object to reach cell M4. Okay, that just means we're going to drag it down. So we'll click out of this. So it's reach M24, I think. M24. Just make sure the arrow's like this, where it's like a slant. Click and drag. By the M24. Okay, just like that. Next step is click one of the average build columns and click the change chart type button. So this is average build, so we're going to click one of them. And then we're going to click change chart type. We're going to click on the click the chart type arrow for the average build series. Click one of them and click change chart type button. Boom. Click the chart type arrow for the average and choose line with markers. Okay. So line with markers. Line, stack lines. There we go. 100% line with markers. Line with markers. That's the one we want right there. So click that. Okay. Boom. And click OK, which we don't need to do. So just click one of the total build columns and change the shape fill to teal. Whoops. To teal. I don't know. I feel like I'm missing a part of this instruction for H. Well, we'll just change it to teal. Click there. Change color to... Oh, you know what? Wrong one. We're going to change shape fill. Format tab. Format tab. Shape fill. Change it to teal. It's one of them. Teal. They're both teal. Probably this one right here. No. Oh, one. Alright, well, one of these is teal. So we'll just click that one. Boom. Okay, I don't know what the rest of these instructions say, but you should be able to figure it out without me. So get darker field. Okay. Insert a slicer. So now we're going to click on any cell, pivot table, and click insert slicer. So pivot table is right over here. This is pivot chart, and this is the pivot table. So we clicked in the pivot table. We're going to click insert slicer, which is in the pivot table's analyze tab. We'll analyze, insert slicer. And it says we want select insurance and click OK. Okay. Alright. Position the slicer so that the top left corner is in cell O3. Size the slicer to reach Q15. So O3 to Q15. So we're going to drag this to O3. Whoa, too much. Go back the other way. Okay, O3. Come on. Okay, to Q15. There. Here we go. It says in part D, it says format the slicer with Aqua, slicer style, dark 5. Okay. So let's click on the slicer. So slicer. What was it? Crap. Aqua, slicer style, dark 5. Crap, you have to find it. Aqua, slicer style, light 5. What do you want? Dark 5. With that one, that looks close. Light, nope. Aqua, slicer style, dark 5. Boom. There we go. And then it says click comp dent in the slicer to filter the pivot table and pivot chart. Comp dent. Oh, okay. Whoops. Comp dent. Okay. There we go. Notice how it changed the data there. That's cool. Alright, next. It says click the data. I feel like I'm missing some instructions here. Okay. Well, this is as far as I've gotten. I'll have you send me over the remaining instructions because I'm missing a part here. We're almost done.